Hey guys, this is Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews, and we're here with a special review of a couple cases for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. We have a premium feel this time. This one is Belemay. So Belemay is a company that has been around for a while, and they specialize in leathers. So we got a more premium feel to your iPhone, and we're going to test today to see if these cases can stand our wireless charging test, our MagSafe test, the cutout properly settled, as well as the feel and look of the actual case. But before we do that, if you could please like, subscribe to this channel, we'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you for the love, support. But without further ado, let's get started. So we have three different types of leathers here. And the first one we're going to talk about is the Crazy Horse leather, which is in the rustic or coffee brown color. So this one is a more of a mature feel, premium feel. You can get this one for $48.99 on Amazon, and I'll throw the links on all of these cases in the description. And let's go ahead and unbox it, as I've already done. So you do get just a piece of leather, and I believe that's a sample, I guess. And let's go ahead and unbox it, and this is what you have. Now, this is what it comes in, what it looks like. And it has a patina effect, and I believe that, over time it will change in different colors, but we're gonna get into that in a minute. Let's go ahead and put it on. So simple enough. It's just basically a case like normal, but unlike normal, you have this textured leather feel, and this one's called Crazy Horse. Now, one thing about this handcrafted leather case is that it gives you like a two-tone effect, and it is fully grain. And the reason why they call it, Crazy Horse leather is because it's waxed in a certain way, and it gives you like a two-tone feel, and it has like this microfiber just inside, and then it has this texture where you can kind of like, change the tone and the patina of the case over time while in use. Now let's go ahead and talk about what we have in regards to the cutouts. So you got accurate cutouts as below. You got the black volume rocker as well as the silent button. You also have a blacked out Siri button, and then the blacked out camera button. Now let's see if it's actual functional. Let's hear the sounds of the clicky. Pretty good, pretty solid. And just from holding the phone, this Crazy Horse leather does give it a good grip, and you're not going to drop it. And when I put it on, we did have a scratch right here, but if you just keep rubbing it, it'll basically disappear. So you kind of have this rustic look, which I really like. And the good thing about it, it'll give it character, as you use it daily. So it's gonna, develop in a deep, like personalized patina, depending on how, often you use the case. So this is pretty cool. All that for, about $48. That's not bad. Let's go ahead and talk about wireless charging, see if it works. No problem there. Wireless charging works. I know people like to hear the sound. No sound and sound. All right, so wireless charging, no restrictions. Let's go ahead and test it with MagSafe. Got my Apple Wallet case here. All right, no problem there. Let's do the throw test. See if I can throw my MagSafe on the ground. Nope. Stayed on the whole time. So not bad for this case here. I mean, these buttons are awesome. You got adequate camera protection, for your modules back here for this little surface. And I really like the character, and I love the story it could tell, as you're daily using it over a long period of time. So I give this one an A+. The Crazy Horse from Belemay, $48.99. Go ahead and check it out. Let me know if you're gonna check this out. It feels great in the hand. So let's see how easy it is to take off. This is what it looks like, the microfiber inside with the MagSafe symbol here, and with Belemay as its leader. So pretty cool. Next, we're gonna try another one. This one is called fully premium textured leather. So this one is crafted with the top grain textured cowhide leather and with subtle grain finish. It gives a refined look, comfortable grip, everyday elegance, and it develops a rich patina over time, just like the Crazy Horse. But without further ado, and this one costs about $37 on Amazon. So it's a little bit cheaper than the Crazy Horse, but let's unbox it and see what we get and test it out. All right, comes with a nice little microfiber cloth to protect it while you're in transit. And just to take a little secret, I have been using this one for about a day, and I got some stories to tell you about it. But here it is in its full glory. Let's go ahead and put it on. And this is what it looks like. So this is a modern minimalistic design. It's very sleek, you know, and it's clean, it's sophisticated, all the above. The design has this micro precision cutting technology, so it has a perfect fit when it comes to the buttons as well as the cutouts. It's very minimalistic, and it's light, so no additional weight added. You got adequate protection on the camera module. You got some protection, bump protection, as you can see. All of the buttons are blacked out and they all work and click. The camera button is blacked out as well, and it's very sensitive. So that's really cool. It's really nice. And it has like a nice little pressure point, which is great. So you can have no issues with your camera module there. Snap pictures all you want to. And then let's go ahead and test the wireless charging. So the wireless charging, does it make it a sound? It does make it a sound. So wireless charging, not a problem. Let's go ahead and slap our MagSafe, see how strong it is. Let's go ahead and throw it, see if we can throw it down. Okay, no, we can't. So we have very good MagSafe accessory adhesiveness, and you got, really good grip. And just to tell you my story, so I did drop it, or to be honest, I don't even know how I got this little nick, but just be careful whenever you're getting this type of case. Even though it's leather, it still has potential for damage, so just keep that in mind. Otherwise, I had no issues with it. It's very comfortable. It feels great, premium, all the above. Everything for like $37 on Amazon. Can't beat that price. This is a go. This is a go. All right, so keep that in mind. This one is the textured leather, the green color from Amazon. So just keep that in mind. And we're gonna go on to the last one, which one is a little bit more pricier, but still quality, premium quality. All right, so the third and final case we have is the Belemay case, the fully grain vegetable tan leather. This one is $45.99 on Amazon, and this one is in a midnight blue color. Let's go ahead and unbox it, and let's see what we have going on here. So it has a little slip tab. You can just pull it out like a tray. It has the Belemay microfiber cloth. Okay, and then it has a sample and silica. And here it is. So this one is pretty, vegetable tan. So it's like vegan tan, sometimes vegetable, I'm not sure. But it's very luxurious. It is tan, so it's created from the highest quality cowhide, sourced from Europe and northern United States. And it retains the natural markings and characteristics of the cowhide. And the process, and the reason why they call it the vegetable tanning process, because it enhances beauty, resulting in a warm, earthy tone. Once again, it develops a patina over time, and as you can kind of tell, it does go very well with the cosmic orange. So without further ado, let's go ahead and put it on. And this is what we got. So pretty cool. It's almost unbelievable that this is leather. I mean, it feels like it's painted on, but it is genuine leather. Now, I'm not gonna, well, I guess when I tried to scratch it a little bit, it does have some characteristics that it creates. So just be careful with that. Be careful with dropping it. You know, I wouldn't throw it around. This is more so a case in the office type deal. So let's go ahead and describe the protection. So you're getting, you know, protection on the camera. You got some bump protection, you know, get a tempered glass always. You got precise, accurate cutouts. You got the black buttons for camera, for the Siri button, for your silent button, and then you got your volume rockers here. So pretty nice. Let's go ahead and test out wireless charging. No problem there. Let's go ahead and slap on the MagSafe, see how MagSafe it is. Okay, pretty nice little combination right here. So you're getting all this for $45.99. Let me know if this is worth it for you. To me, I really do like this case. It's a little steep, but you know, in my everyday life, I probably will drop it a couple times, you know, create a scratch or something. But yeah, let me know what you think. It is very nice. To be honest, I'm not really, I mean, I see like, you know, a difference in pattern when it comes to these last two. So I'm not sure, you know, which one over time would work better. But I do like the green color and I like the blue. You know, it is what it is. But I think my dark horse, no pun intended, is this Crazy Horse leather here. This one looks very good on the phone, especially with the Cosmic Orange. And I think this one, you know, is my favorite. I really do like the gripping here. I like the, you be able to like erase any kind of mistake you put on here. So that's pretty dope and awesome. And I mean, even though it's like $50, it's still pretty good. So I don't know, this one's my favorite. So out of the three, which one did you like the best? So this one is, let's put it in price order. This one's $36.7. This one is $45, and this one is $48. So which one are you picking up? Let me know in the comments below. Once again, this company is called Belemay. So, you know, you choose, you go on Amazon, which one you like the best. You definitely can try it out, but I recommend you try out at least one of the Crazy Horse cases, because at first it might not look as popping color great, but it does feel good. And in person, it is pretty darn snappy. And that's my opinion, and I'm sticking to it. But without further ado, this is Juleon with Juleon Tech Reviews. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff for me. Peace out.